Let's make homemade Disclosing tablet bubblegum. And see if this $150 bubblegum toothbrush set will clean my stained teeth. Bubblegum is actually pretty easy to make. So let's make it. You're gonna start off with gum base. These little things look like beans. So let's sweeten it up. First you gotta add a little bit of corn syrup. Fat glob. Not too much, this stuff's not too healthy for you. We gotta have it taste a little sweet. Next is the Tutti Frutti flavoring so it tastes like a Disclosing tablet. Now lastly, the Disclosing solution. You can use food coloring, but I'm gonna use Disclosing tablet solution to stain my teeth. Careful not to get it on your fingers because this stuff is potent. I'll have pink hands for the week. Add 2 for good luck. And throw it in the microwave for 10 seconds. And give it a twirl. Once you get it to the right consistency, it's time to make some slices. We got some powdered sugar that we're gonna make a little hole in the center. And then add the gum mix. Fat glob. Get every single last drop of the gum into the center. Oh, it's so messy. Because it's hot, you're gonna fold it over and incorporate some of the powdered sugar until it's not too sticky. It smells delicious. Once it's got the right texture, it's time to make some cuts. Add a little bit of sugar and shape them to how you want it. I want little cubes like Hubba Bubba. Now that we got our gorgeous pieces of gum, let's test them out. It's Disclosing time. It's so soft. I think I might have added too much flavor though. I think my lips are getting more pink as I chew it. Let's see how big of a bubble I can blow. I think we need more gum. Oh yeah, my teeth are getting really pink after chewing this gum, but it tastes pretty good. I look like a chipmunk. Let's blow this bubble. I want it larger than my face. Why is it so hard? My jaw is hurting. Oh, did you see that? That was huge. Oh. It's pretty good bubblegum, but I think it's making my tongue pink. Oh no. This gum had lots of sugar, so let's see if it stained my teeth. Let's check the before results. Jigglypuff toothbrush. Yeet. It comes with a customizable charging base, 2 spare bristle heads, and a Jigglypuff toothbrush. Let's check out the bristles on this toothbrush. Bubblegum blowout toothpaste. Fat glob. This is Dental Digest, let's get brushing. This toothpaste tastes like Hubba Bubba, and this toothbrush is Hubba Hubba. These sonic vibrations are tickling my teeth, but it tastes delicious. Bubblegum mouthwash. Let's see which one tastes better. The all natural or cavity protection. Up first, the all natural. Why is it so dusty? Ugh. I think this stuff stinks. It's not expired, it just stinks. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, what? Why does bubblegum mouthwash look like pee-pee? I don't think I could drink this. This is Dental Digest. You guys better subscribe to this channel because I'm about to drink mouthwash that looks like pee-pee. Aftertaste is actually not too bad. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like super sweet cinnamon with the tiniest bit of bubble gum. It's also got like an alcohol smell to it. That's why I thought it was old. I thought it was just like fermented. I give it a 3 out of 10. Up next is Act Cavity Protection. It's got my favorite feature. You squeeze it and it fills to the exact line you need. Salute. Now this stuff is nice. It's kind of making my tongue tingle a little bit though. But it's got a nice Coca-Cola bubblegum flavor to it. Look how satisfying that is. Glug, 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 glug. Round 2. This mouthwash tastes way better and it has the added benefit of having fluoride. Lastly, we can't forget to floss. So let's make a custom DIY floss holder. Look how big my cheek is. I'll put big. Alright, enough of this. Yo, it's stuck to the wall. Look, it's stuck up there. Now that we have an empty Hubba Bubba container, drop in some floss, grab your desired length, and snip it off. I think this floss is making my gums bleed. Psych, Dental Digest's gums don't bleed. But if yours do, it's probably a sign you need to floss more and subscribe to Dental Digest. Let's check the after results. Gorgeous. This toothbrush set was bubblicious, and your daily dental pro tip is to use sugar-free gum to help prevent cavities. For more dental pro tips, follow me on Instagram @Dental Digest. Thank you, Fat Globbers, for watching. We'll see you in the next one, and as always, smile on. Ciao.